Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So I did want to come on here and do a quick TA on BBIG. It does look like there was actually another major sell-off today in the morning. It actually broke support at 789. So as of right now, I do think it's headed all the way down to 647. Keep in mind that there is a gap at the previous support of 595. So it could definitely go back, close the gap at 595 before rallying to the upside. As of right now, everything does look pretty bearish though. All the TA, everything changed. Everything looks pretty bearish right now. I would say that the likelihood of it going back up is still there. I still think that there's a chance that it can go back to the upside. Keep in mind though, there's a stronger chance that it keeps falling and it completely goes down to fill the full. Well, actually, let me see. Is there actually a gap? The gap is down here. So there is a gap at $3 and around like 30 cents. So keep in mind right now, all TA is bearish. This sell-off in the morning from basically when we opened at 6:30 about an hour ago, we had that big drop and that big break in support from 789. So as of now, I do think it's headed down to 647. There has to be some sort of change in, I mean, the weekly is still looking bullish. It still looks like it can rebound, to be honest. But again, everything shorter term is looking bearish, and I would not be surprised to see that 647 next week at all, or even today. Well, would not be surprised at all. I wouldn't say I'm expecting a bounce right now. I want to see what happens when 647 is touched, and then after that, I can come back and redo the TA, and then see how much it can actually jump to the upside, or if it can still can. The only worrisome part is that it still has that gap to fill around the $3.30 level. But as of now, I do have to say that I'm bearish. I think there's like a 99% chance it's going down and touching $6.47 at previous support. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.